Hey everybody, this is Casey. I hope you are doing well. I want to come back and take a look at CHFJPY, show y'all what I think I see. I know in the last video, I anticipated that we were going to see, and I'm just deleting these yellow lines off. I anticipated that we were going to see a push up, but not this high. And I missed a step in my last analysis. So I want to go back over and show y'all. I don't believe I did a fib for the daily, and that's where I missed it. So now the fib is on there as I've gone back and looked at my charts. And let me just zoom out, see if I can. So I started my fib in the wrong place. And so it gave me, I don't want to say inaccurate, but it is, I mean, based on how price is moving today, it gave me an inaccurate view of what was going on in the market. So the fib should have started from here, the smart fib. So let me take this off and let me show y'all what I did. All right. So with the fib, you have to go to your last low on that time frame, the time frame that you're on, and click below the last low, and it'll automatically populate where those fibs are supposed to be. So the one that's highlighted right now is the current fib. So you see we have our A boundary, we have our B high, and then we have a pullback here to in between the 38.2 and the 50% fib level, but it falls on one of these three red ranges. So that would mean that price is going to 125.887 is the final extension. And see, the devil is in the details. I think I glossed over the fact that one, the fibs weren't properly placed. And then two, I looked at this as hitting the D extension and it actually fell short by like 40 pips. So it looks as though price is trying to make its way to this matching extension. So before we see any type of down move, I think we're probably going to try to hit this, right? And then make our way down. So let me go down a time frame. Let me zoom in. So I'm gonna put the fib just on because what I think we got going on. Let me see. Go from the last low. And you'll see right now, this is the current fib to the upside, and the D extension falls in line with the range that we just discussed. But price played off of the 23.6. And so either we're going to see price continue up and hit if there's enough momentum. If that JPY continues to weaken, we'll probably see price hit this extension off of this up move, or we could see, this is one of the plays that I mentioned. Like when we see price make a shallow retracement right here off the 23.6, sometimes we see it stall out right here, 118.127. And so we could see price stall out at that level and make its way down to this level before completing the entire move and hitting that final extension. So, I don't know if that's very clear to re-explain it. Either we're going to see price continue in the current up move that it's making and hit this extension, or we're going to see price stall, and it looks like it may be stalling at this 127.18 and make a deeper retracement. I would love to see it go to the 61.8, but it's likely it could come back to the 38.2, the 50, and then try to make its way back up. More often than not, when we see these shallow retracements, this is what we see: price stall out, make a deeper retracement, and then go up and finish. So that could be what we have on the table. I mean, you could potentially play it both ways. This is what, to the 61.8, that is 175 pips. And then to the matching the extension, that is 260 pips. So let's see. So on the lower time frame, we've hit an extension. See? So we pull back. This was a fib, A, B. We pull back to the 50% fib level here. This was your C. And so the matching extension has been hit. So now we got to wait for a high to form. But personally, let me go back on the 4 hour. What I would love to see. Let me do this. Is that we may see this. Uh-oh, I done messed up. That's not very pretty, but I'm trying to draw a circle so that I can see it when I go down to the lower time frame. So what is this? I'm on the daily. I did not go down to a lower time frame. Bear with me, y'all. I think I got winter break brain. So I'm going to take these fibs off because we know that we hit a level. And I am going to put on a trend line because I'm probably going to play this to the downside if I get my, if my rules are met. Let me see. Right. I'm going to go to the last swing low and go from here to here. And then if I wanted to break it down further, and this is really aggressive, go from this touch to the next touch. And then wait for the break to see if I get the break. Because if I get the break, then I'm probably going to be looking at a sale. So I would wait for something like this to happen. Excuse me. Yep. And I'm sorry, y'all. I'm quiet. I'm focusing. Focusing on making this look right. That's what I would be looking for. So, we'll see. But I'm probably not going to draw anything more aggressive than this inner trend line that I have right here. If this gets broken, then I may look for the opportunity for a sale. If we get, you know, if this finds resistance and I do get that break, then I may look for it. So, I just wanted to come on here and share what I was looking at, what I was seeing, a step that I missed. And I know I share with you guys like when things go right, but I also want to share like when things go wrong and my analysis is off. So anyway, I will see y'all soon. I'm gonna do a video, like be on camera relatively soon. So I look forward to seeing y'all, and it'll be before the new year. That's the goal. So I'm not gonna wish you a happy new year yet. But if you want to watch me do analysis videos, show you guys my approach to the market, you're more than welcome to subscribe to the channel. If you found the video helpful at all, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.